It's the start of your journey in a new city away from home. You're taking the leap, spreading your wings and setting off alone. But you're not really on your own. Not here. You're surrounded by other students all feeling the same, so have no fear. A mixture of nerves and excitement will collide as you begin your stay. With lasting memories, everyday neighbours and lifelong friends all starting today. Yeah, you're here to learn, but you're also here to live. There's new places, different spaces.
友好的面孔和充满爱意的拥抱。
Days will be good. Some may be bad, but it's all part of creating the best time you've ever had. This is your new home, a place of new mates and first dates, and staying up till the early hours and waking up late. We're here for the late night revision sessions. And a friendly wave that goes a long way to the resident events and game nights and asking if you're really okay. Campus is where you can be you, your reliable base from which you can roam. And at the end of each day, it's your place to call home.